Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about special products. Okay, so let's have example number 1 or real life problem number 1. So a square garden is enlarged by adding 3 meters to each side. So express the area of the new garden in terms of x. So the original side length. Okay, so this is the square garden. Okay, so ito yung x. Then, kaya each side, x ang value niyan. Then i-extend natin or adding 3 meters to each side. Ayan. So, nagdagdag tayo ng 3 meters bawat side. So, express the area of the new garden in terms of x. Okay, so the formula of finding the area of a square is equals to s squared. Or area equals s squared. So, take note, s is equals to x plus 3. X plus 3 is because from x, dagdag tayo ng 3 meters. Kaya x plus 3. So, substitute natin sa formula, A or area equals, value ng S is x, the quantity of x plus 3 squared. Okay? So, yan. I-simplify natin. X plus 3 or the quantity of x plus 3 raised to the power of 2. Ayan. Or i-double natin yung x plus 3 or the quantity of x plus 3. So, pagkagawin natin dito, we have to apply yung mga method na tinuro natin yung nakaraan, either distributive property or find method. It's up to you. So, let's try yung distributive property or distribute natin yan si x times x. So, that is then yung x times 3 at saka si 3 times x at saka si 3 times 3. Simplify. So, x times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. Then, combine like terms. So, x squared. I-add natin yung 3x plus 3x. So, 6x plus 9. So, the result is x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay, ito yung final answer natin. So, dito tayo sa square of binomial. So, the quantity of a plus b raised to the power of 2 or the square of the quantity of a plus b. So, that is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Ito yung pattern natin. Pattern number 1. Ang pattern number 2, the square of the quantity of a minus b. So, that is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So, where a in the first term and b is the second term of the binomial. So, the result of squaring a binomial is called perfect square trinomial. So, kapag mag-square tayo ng binomial, ang result niya is perfect square trinomial. So, let's have example number 1. So, the square of the quantity of x minus 8. So, we will use the pattern number 2 or yung next na pattern. So, ang gagawin natin dito, ang first step is we have to square the first term. So, square the first term. Ang first term is x. Yan, i-square natin yan. Okay? So, the result is x squared. Next step, we have to multiply the product of the first and the second term by 2. So, yung product ng x at saka 8, negative 8. Okay? So, product yan, i-multiply natin by 2. Ayan, 2 times x times negative 8. So, the result is negative 16x. Then, yung last step, square the second term. Ang second term is negative 8. I-square natin yan. So, negative 8 times negative 8, so that is positive 64. Ayan. So, x squared minus 16x plus 64. So, ito yung final answer. So, perfect square trinomial. Okay, example number 2. The square of the quantity of 2x plus 5. So, same pa rin yung pattern. Ang pattern na gagamitin natin ay yung first. Then, yung step, ganun pa rin. We have to square the first term. Ayan, si 2x, i-square natin yan. So, the result is 4x squared. Then, second step, multiply the product of the first and the second term by 2. So, 2x times 5 times 2. So, 2x times 5. So, that is 10x, then times 2, 20x. Ang last step is square the second term. Second term is 5. I-square natin yan, so that is 25. Okay, so final answer, 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. Number 3 example. Okay, the square of the quantity of negative 3a plus 7. So, same steps. Step 1, square the first term. So, negative 3a yung first term, i-square natin yan. So, the result is negative 3a times negative 3a. So, the result is positive 9a squared. Second step, multiply the product of the first and the second term. So, product ng first and second, negative 3a times 7. So, that is 21a negative. Okay, times 2. Okay, times 2, that is negative 42a. Yung last step, square the second term. So, second term is 7. So, 7 times 7 or 7 squared is equal to 7 times 7 is 49. So, final answer, the square of the quantity of negative 3a plus 7 is equal to 9a squared minus 4a plus 49. Okay? Yan ang final answer. So, square of binomial. So, exercises muna tayo. So, first, the square of x plus 4. So, square the first term, x squared. Then, second step, multiply the product of the first and the second term. So, x times 4 is 4x times 2, 8x. Then, square the second term, which is 4. So, 4 squared is 4 times 4, 16. So, positive 16. Next, the square of the quantity 3x minus 2. So, square the first term, 3x. The quantity of 3x. So, square natin yan. So, that is 9x squared. Okay. Then, next step, multiply the product of the first and second term. So, 3x times negative 2, negative 6x times 2, negative 12x. Then, last step, square the second term. So, negative 2 square. So, the negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. Last, the square of negative 5xy minus 3. Or the square of the quantity of negative 5xy minus 3. So, square the first term, negative 5xy times negative 5xy. So, that is positive 25x squared, y squared. Ayan. Then, next, multiply the product of the first and second. Ang first is negative 5xy. Ang second is negative 3. Multiply natin yan. That is positive. Kasi kapag mag-multiply tayo ng the same side, the result is positive. So, negative 5xy times negative 3 is positive 15xy. Multiply natin by 2. So, that is 30xy. Then, last step is square the second term. Si second term is negative 3. So, negative 3, square natin yan. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Okay, so, Yung second problem natin, sa next na video na natin yan kasi mahaba-haba na itong ginagawa natin. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa naka-subscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless. Bye-bye.